Hello my dear friends, welcome to our Microsoft Excel worksheets class number 1. So this introduced video Microsoft Excel class number 1. So every person, if you have ready to, I gonna start this class, okay. So every person watch this video is carefully, and I'm gonna show you, I explain with you, and I introduce you every all tools in this Microsoft Excel. This video is very important for you because this video I introduce you Microsoft Excel window, every tools everywhere. So keep watching this video, don't skip this video. And if you beginner to our channel, then first you should subscribe our channel, otherwise you mistake many video which I upload every time, okay. And I highly recommended you, if you mistake or if you don't have any idea of Microsoft Word, you go to our channel and you see our playlist. They are uploaded already in Microsoft Word documents. So this course first time you have to fulfill, then after you become take this course as you understand too easy, okay. So let's go. Okay my dear friends, you see this is Microsoft Excel worksheets window. So now I'm going to introduce all tools. Whenever you work this Microsoft Excel, that's so easy for you. Okay, so first you see this is save button, and the next is quick tools, okay. And after you see this is title, okay. This is title, and this is a profile logo. After you see this is control button, okay. And all area is ribbon, we are called. This is all area is a ribbon, okay. And you can see this is formula bar, this one formula bar. After you see this is a row, and this is column bar, okay. And all area is spreadsheets, and every each cell. And the next, this on active page, okay. Another thing you see, this is view button, and this is zoom in and zoom out. And this side is always be scroll, okay. Okay, so I think you got it, every section, every tools, actually what tools, what does we are use, I think you have an idea. So when I use or when I work practically, then you will be clear from this video, okay. So this video is enough for today, and the next video we are showing, and we are going to learn a home section, actually how many options, including this Microsoft Word documents founder, we are going to learn. Okay, so have a good day and keep practice what I say and what kind of tools I introduce to you.